Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk about Spain government scholarship. The Ministry of Education gives scholarship to EU students who want to enroll in a bachelor's degree or master's degree in engineering, advanced technology, agriculture, design, economics, management, art at a top Spanish university. Requirements to be eligible for Spain government scholarship: your annual family income should be within the required threshold. You should graduate high school with minimum 5 GPA on 10-point scale for financial aid and minimum 8 GPA for a 10-point scale for academic excellence aid. The table below shows threshold income for each group depending on how many working family members are in the threshold. Working family members for group 1, if they have annual income about 8,000 euro, group 2 13,000 and group 3 14,000 euro. So these are the family members to 5 family members. How much is the Spanish government scholarship for financial students in 2023? Depending on your income group, you will receive scholarship for tuition fee for group 1, 2, 3 and relocation for group 1 and 2, expenses for group 1, academic excellence for group 1, 2, 3. So this amount of scholarship they will provide you based on the groups here. If your family belong to group 1, then you will receive these scholarships. Group 2, based on that you will receive that scholarship. To continue to receive the grant, you must obtain at least 30 credits each semester. How to apply application process lasts from May 8 to September 2023. So they will update the dates each year. So in next year, if you miss the date this year, then you can apply next year. You can start your application through electronic office of the Ministry of Education here. And after you will visit that, then you here can register and then log in and submit your application. If you will have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.